So a few days ago, it was revealed that Samsung is collaborating with Instagram to introduce a new feature to the Galaxy S24 lineup, allowing direct access to the Instagram camera from the lock screen. Now, Android Authority has discovered codes indicating that Samsung is also partnering with Snapchat to bring a similar function to the S24 lineup, enabling users to add a direct shortcut to the Snapchat camera on the lock screen, providing a quicker route to posting new content or sharing stories. Now, recent benchmarks have revealed that Samsung will add a 12GB of RAM variant to the S24 Plus. Questions arose about whether the regular S24 would also receive 12GB of RAM or stick to 8GB. As benchmarks for the S24 with 12GB of RAM have not surfaced yet, it's safe to say the S24 won't get 12GB of RAM, it will still be 8GB. Next, we have big news from a reputed South Korean publication revealing the launch date, pre-order, and availability. According to The Elect, Samsung will host the Unpacked event on January 17th in San Jose, United States. Pre-orders will begin immediately after the event and continue until January 30th. Shipments will roll out to pre-ordered customers between January 26th and 30th. All other people can start buying the phones from January 30th onwards. We don't have any information about the pricing just yet, but analysts are expecting the prices to remain the same. So if that holds true, the S24 should start at $900, $1,000 for the S24 Plus, and $1,200 for the S24 Ultra. Now, if the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't pique your interest, Samsung is providing a straightforward 25% discount on the S23 Ultra and the Z Fold 5 when purchased through their Shop Samsung app. Additionally, they're offering enhanced trade-in options, storage upgrades, and an extra $25 discount. The link to the offer is in the description. So Apple is infamous for gatekeeping new features to try and upsell customers. For example, in the recent iPhone 15 lineup, while the 15 Pro models have 3x or 5x telephoto cameras, the base models lack a telephoto camera altogether. The display is no exception, with high refresh rate displays reserved exclusively for the Pro and Pro Max models. The standard iPhone 15, in contrast, still features an outdated 60Hz display. Now, if you thought things would change with the iPhone 16, then you're mistaken, because Apple will still stick to a 60Hz display on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. That's according to Ross Young, who is the CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants and has a solid record when it comes to display leaks. Honestly, it's ridiculous that this company will still offer a 60Hz display in 2024 for a phone that starts at $900 when Androids from sub $200 offer high refresh rate displays. And to be honest, I'm not surprised by this news. I mean, when we have Apple sheeps shamelessly defending this move, saying average consumers don't care, this company will continue to get away with stuff like this, which is unfortunate because it hinders better technologies for these so-called average consumers. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.